Today, we're plunging into a topic that's, well, it's rapidly reshaping our digital world. Generative AI for mobile app development. Our mission for this deep dive is really to unpack what it means to apply generative AI to mobile apps, what crucial skills you need, and how you can quickly get proficient in this booming field. Think of this as your shortcut, sort of to understanding a cutting-edge domain and its practical real-world uses. We'll be using a specific specialization as a great example, a pathway to get these skills, looking at its structure, projects, and the expertise behind it.
Exactly. And this specialization is designed to fast-track careers, basically giving you job-ready GenAI skills, specifically tailored for mastering GenAI-powered mobile app development. It's all about that hands-on practical experience employers are really looking for right now in a field that's just seeing, well, immense growth.
The mobile app market already feels huge, right? Just everywhere.
Yeah.
But what's really striking is how generative AI is now like turbocharging that whole space. It's creating completely new possibilities.
Absolutely. And we're not just talking steady growth. Grand View Research projects the global mobile app market will soar over 14% per year by 2030. But the key thing now is GenAI isn't just, tacked on. It's becoming fundamental. It unlocks new levels of creativity, efficiency.
Yeah.
It's fueling this incredible demand for developers, engineers, designers who get it.
Right.
It's not just a trend. It's a real foundational shift,
Yeah.
creating new career paths.
Okay, so if you're looking to jump into this high-demand area, this fast-moving field, what kind of learning experience is out there? How do people get up to speed?
Well, the specialization we're kind of looking at is a great example. It's really built to provide those practical app dev skills businesses need now. It focuses heavily on hands-on experience, actually working with AI models, tools, generating text, images, code, audio, video, the works.
Yeah.
And a key benefit, I think, is building a portfolio. Real AI-powered mobile app projects.
Tangible stuff.
Exactly. Tangible assets that, look great when you're highlighting them in interviews.
That sounds incredibly targeted. So who really benefits most from this kind of deep dive? Is it just for coders or is it broader?
Oh, it's definitely broad. I mean, sure, it's ideal for aspiring AI developers, software engineers, web designers, mobile app developers wanting to specialize. But it's also super valuable for, say, established professionals looking to upskill.
Okay.
Maybe in GenAI tools for app design or general software development. Even people in marketing or support roles could benefit.
Right, understanding the tech.
Yeah, understanding those GenAI-assisted strategies to, boost their careers.
That makes a lot of sense. What about prerequisites? Do you need to be a coding genius already, or can someone with a decent tech foundation jump in?
It is positioned as an advanced level specialization, so yeah, some background helps.
Yeah.
You'd ideally need prior experience with software development concepts, mobile app development ideas.
The basics.
Right, the basics. Plus, computer literacy, HTML, CSS, Git, standard stuff. A background in JavaScript or Node.js can be helpful for certain projects, but it's not like a hard requirement.
Got it.
The ideal learner, probably a tech enthusiast, someone who likes solving problems, curious about AI, and really has a passion for mobile development.
Okay, this is where it gets really interesting for me. After going through something like this, what specific actual skills do you walk away with? The stuff employers are looking for right now.
Yeah, that's the core promise, right?
Yeah.
You gain this whole range of job-ready skills. Think prompt engineering, that's huge.
Yeah.
Basically learning how to talk to AI models effectively to get what you want.
Right, the communication part.
Exactly, it's critical. But beyond that, you'd get into practical things like AI personalization.
Tailoring the experience.
Yeah, tailoring app experiences for users dynamically, test automation, large language modeling, core AI concepts. You'd also touch on important development practices like DevSecOps, CI/CD, understanding how GenAI fits into that whole secure, agile pipeline.
It sounds like quite a comprehensive journey. You mentioned it's not just one course. Usually it's a series. How does that multi-course structure work to build up that deep knowledge and practical ability?
Right, it's structured to build things up step by step. This particular series we're using as an example is 4 courses, and it's designed for flexibility. You learn at your own pace. They estimate maybe 3 months if you put in about 10 hours a week.
Manageable.
Yeah. So course 1, often something like Generative AI, Introduction to Applications, that starts you off. It helps you understand the difference between Generative AI, the creating kind, and Discriminative AI, which is more about classifying things.
Gotcha.
You explore its capabilities, see real-world examples, and get familiar with common GenAI models and tools for text, code, images, audio, video. It's the foundation. There may be a course on prompt engineering basics. This is where you really master crafting effective prompts.
That skill again.
It's crucial. How you ask the AI directly affects the output quality. So you'll practice techniques like the interview pattern.
Like Q&A with the AI.
Sort of, yeah, to refine the results. Or chain of thought and tree of thought, which guide the AI through more complex reasoning.
Interesting.
Then maybe generative AI. Elevate your software development career. This gets really practical for developers. Using AI to generate code snippets, scripts, maybe even whole programs. You learn AI-assisted design, architecture, finding bugs, refactoring code, optimization.
Using AI as a helper.
Exactly, like a Copilot. It introduces tools like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, Google Gemini, IBM watsonx Code Assistant, and importantly, it also tackles the ethical side, the challenges of using GenAI for programming and how to mitigate risks.
That's key.
Definitely. And the final course, maybe Generative AI, turbocharged mobile app development. That brings it all home. It focuses right on integrating GenAI into mobile app workflows, analyzing opportunities, challenges in AI-driven design, marketing. You get hands-on with tools like Vertex AI, Dialogflow, Apple Intelligence, and you actually build a mobile app prototype using these GenAI tools.
That really sounds like it brings the knowledge to life. Those hands-on projects, the labs, they're often the best part, right? Can you give us a taste of the actual practical experience you'd get?
Absolutely. I mean, you'll do lots of GenAI exercises, text, image, code generation, practicing those prompt techniques we talked about.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, two specific projects usually stand out as really comprehensive real-world simulations. One might involve using, say, ChatGPT to build a personalized learning platform for software developers.
Wow, okay.
And it's not just generating text, it's the whole thing. Gathering requirements, designing databases, maybe MongoDB, generating backend code node, Express.js, perhaps testing, deploying with Docker, GitHub, full stack, AI assisted.
That's intense.
It really is. And another big one might push the mobile boundaries. Maybe building an app using something like Project IDX, integrating Gemini AI, Copy.ai for text, Synthesia.io for video.
So combining different AI tools.
Exactly. Using them together to create dynamic scripts, maybe professional sales videos, build an intelligent Flutter app, focusing on user engagement. It directly shows how GenAI helps you optimize performance and create totally new, rich, interactive user experiences.
So, okay, connecting all these pieces.
Mm-hmm.
What does mastering these skills really mean for someone's career? How does this kind of deep dive actually, future-proof your mobile app dev career with tech changing so fast?
Well, it's absolutely crucial for staying competitive, staying relevant. Simple as that. Mastering these AI tools lets you develop faster, build more innovative apps, automate the routine stuff.
Freeing you up.
Right, freeing you up for the harder, more creative problem solving. GenAI streamlines things design, content creation, that AI-driven personalization we mentioned. It all adds up to better efficiency, faster time to market, and honestly, much better user engagement. It puts you at the front of the pack in mobile development.
And beyond just the skills, there's usually something tangible to show for it, isn't there?
Yes, definitely. Upon completion, you typically earn a shareable certificate.
Okay.
And that's not just, a PDF. It's a verifiable credential. You can stick it right on your LinkedIn profile, your resume, your CV, share it on social media. It validates your new expertise.
We've been using the specific specialization as a really great example, but it also kind of shows the broader approach these learning platforms are taking for these cutting-edge skills. Can you tell us a bit about who teaches these things generally and the flexibility involved?
Sure. For this particular one, the instructors are a mix. You've got experienced educators, like the SkillUp EdTech team, alongside industry pros from IBM folks like Rav Ahuja, Antonio Cangiano, Ramanujam Srinivasan.
So real-world experience.
Exactly, bringing that industry perspective right into the course. And crucially, these programs are pretty much always completely online. Total flexibility, learn at your own pace, your own rhythm, fit it into your life, don't disrupt it.
Nice.
And many offer like a 7-day free trial, or options for financial aid or scholarships if the cost is an issue. Makes it more accessible.
What a fascinating deep dive. It's clear generative AI isn't just hype. It's a practical, really powerful tool that's actively changing mobile app development. From prompt engineering all the way to building full AI-powered apps, the path to getting skilled up seems, pretty well laid out. Offers real skills, real career benefits.
Absolutely. And it raises a really interesting question for the future, doesn't it? Given how fast AI is evolving, how might GenAI integration not just simplify development, but actually fundamentally reshape the creative process of app design? Could it allow for truly novel, deeply personalized user experiences we haven't even conceived of yet? What creative boundaries are going to be pushed next in this space? How will developers keep harnessing AI to build apps that feel genuinely alive, truly intuitive? Makes you think.
Yeah.